Chapter 6 Editing Text in Word 2013 Continued Part. In this video, we shall understand about the parts of the window, that is Microsoft Word 2013 window. Here it is displayed the parts of the window. Let us just a brief introduction about that. A. File tab. So here file, when we click on the file, we get the file menu. B. Quick access toolbar. On the top of the window, we can see the quick access toolbar having save, undo and redo buttons. We can customize these commands. C. Title bar. On the top of the window, we have a strip having document, word, and it is having the close and control buttons. It shows the name of the window, the document name. D. Close button. In the corner of the window, we have the cross button, that is the close button. E. We have the ribbon. The ribbon shows the options that are available on every tab. So whichever the tab we click, that options related to that tab will be displayed on the ribbon. F. Scroll bars. The scroll bar, the vertical scroll bar we have here, shift the page up and down. G. Document window. A plain paper displayed shows that we can type here whatever we want. H. Zoom slider. That is the bottom of the screen, we have a elevator like structure. When we move into the left, the document window is shown in the smaller size, and when we move it to the right side, the document moves to the zooms the document in bigger size. I is the view shortcuts, that is we have like print layout or outline view or web layout view. So whichever view we want the document to be seen, we can click on it and get. Next, J, that is status bar. The status bar shows the number of pages, how much we have, and at presently which page we are working on. And next, insertion point. Insertion point is the cursor point where the present typing is being done. It shows the cursor. L is a ruler, the horizontal ruler and the vertical ruler. It shows the left margin and the right margin, and the top margin and the bottom margin, how much it is been covered on the page and how much page is left over for us in between to type in the light color. The ruler. Let us learn some more options and the parts of the Microsoft Word 2013 window. The first we are learning here is Dialog Box Launcher. Dialog box launcher are seen in every corner of the group, whichever the tab, and the tab has some groups of option. Under the every group of option, we can see the dialog box launcher. So when we click on that particular group's dialog box launcher, we get the more settings according to that category of options. So here under the font, we have options like more options, regular, bold, and the size options. We can set it permanent, and we can make the color settings, style settings, and we can make it always let. Now we shall see. Right. Next we shall learn about the zoom control. The zoom control makes our documents to see in the smaller size and as well as bigger size. When we click on to the left side of the elevator, we can see our document is being reduced to the smaller size. And then view. We can increase the view of that clicking onto the right side of it, the bigger size. Here we should understand, children, it only to see the document is bigger and smaller. Actual size of the font remains the same when we are in the smaller size view or in the bigger size view. The font size is the same, 22 here. The correct zoom option to type a document is 100%. Now we shall understand next about the ribbon display option. The what ribbon is being displayed on the top, that we can hide it. How to hide? There is an option here, ribbon display. So when we click onto it, the ribbon is hidden. And when we want the ribbon back to edit our font or text, we can click on it and get the ribbon back on the screen. Children, practice this again and again and learn how to use the options.